Hey guys, welcome to another video. I got another coat of paint on the rear flares. I'm hoping only one more coat's needed before it's all ready for wrap. But for now, I'm gonna be sanding down all the bug marks and then I might be priming this white. But there's just a lot of bug marks and a lot of scratches. I'm just gonna buff out, or not buff out, but sand out, because it doesn't matter too much with wrap and everything. So I guess here we go. Alright, I got both the bumpers sanded and ready for wrap. I don't think I'm going to do any priming, but I did notice something kind of annoying is the guy that did my paintwork last year. It was really cheap, so just get it done quick, so it's not like anyone reputable. He told me he would remove the white section on my bumper, the plasti dip, and he never did. So I'm sanding it down tonight, and it starts peeling up, and luckily I was able to kind of smooth out on a couple parts, but I think it's gonna look kind of weird if you look super close. Right there, it started peeling up, so I got it smooth like that. That's dip right there. That's paint. And then same right here and right there. And I was able to peel all that off, but that's kind of annoying. Up next, I'm gonna remove the fog lights and then keep those off until after I get the car wrapped. And then probably start sanding the paint in the back, but let's go check that out. But first, so in love. I can't wait to actually drive this thing on the road. I got two kind of coats of white. You can kind of see that there's some dark marks still. You can't even see it, I can see it. I'll show you on the other side. There's a dark mark. I mean, you can't even see it. So I'm gonna peel the tape off and hopefully get to getting the interior seats or the rear seats put back in. I need to take off the door handles and just kind of more buttoning up than anything else. But I'm gonna get those fog lights taken out. I got the fog lights out. I'm gonna be cutting these two little things out because when I hit the ground, I want my bumper to be able to flex a little bit more, and the guy who's gonna wrap it's not gonna be wrapping those. So I'm not using this. I'm using my Dremel. Nice. Now I need to sand those down, so I'm probably just gonna use this. That's not gonna work at all. I'm gonna try something else. I got that. I got all that sanded down. I used a special grinding disc on my Dremel and just kind of filed it down, and then I took the sander with 60 grit and then really powered through it. So now I'm just gonna use this and just kind of rough up the paint, try to smooth it out just a little bit more. Should work out pretty good. So I guess that's kind of what it looks like with nothing there. That's good. The rear bumper is good. Now I'm going to remove all of the plastic from the car since it's done with paint. And then from there, interior and the final touch-ups, but you'll see those. Now that that's removed, I gotta remove this deck spoiler, this deck lid, because that's not getting done either, so. Now I'm gonna sand it. So I got the lip sanded down and smooth. I don't want to sand any of the flare portion yet just because it could be a little soft. So I'm gonna sand that next time I'm here. I got the whole place swept, plastic off, throw in the garbage, so we're kind of cleaning up. So now that it's all cleaned up, I'm gonna kind of just mess with the exhaust. I got a shorter exhaust hanger, so I'm gonna swap that so my exhaust hangs a little bit higher. And then I'm gonna start with the mocking up, and probably this weekend is when I'm gonna start welding. I think I'm gonna be painting my wheels as well this weekend, so stay tuned for that. But I'm just gonna kind of mess around with the exhaust, but I'm not gonna record it. My camera battery's about to die, so appreciate you guys watching. I got the front bumper done today along with the rear bumper. The painting is all done, cleaned up. The rear spoiler is done. So with the body, I got some filler putty. So I'm just gonna kind of go over a few spots in the car and the exterior that needs to get done. And then it's pretty much ready for wrap. I'm waiting for my tax return to come in before I order my wrap, just because I don't want to spend the money I have right now. Not that like I have no money or anything, because I have this car is not making me broke, okay? But so thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace out.